Everyone, Ian here, Mattershed Media. We're back at Radical Restorations in Cadogan, Alberta for a sneaky peek and see what Bob's been up to on Jeff's 71 440 6-pack Charger RT. So, yeah, it looks good. I'm sure anybody will agree with me from where the beginning to the end that we're getting very close to, actually. It looks good. As we scroll through the pictures here or leaf through the pictures, you're going to see the transformation of being all white to now get some black accents on it. And actually, powertrain is in. The numbers matching engine and transmission are mated together. That's sitting on the K-member, and right at the end here of this video, Bob actually got them assembled in the car. So yeah, he's only waiting on just a few pieces, and this thing is ready to be knocked out. So yeah, it's super awesome. Again, I'm sure Jeff is excited to get this on the road. I mean, it's been a long time. So if you remember the story, he bought it in 1977 out of Saskatoon and used it for, let's say, almost we'll say about 10 years, and then it's been basically, parked in many different outside elements, which, then of course, it's just the way life kind of goes here. Life gets busy, but he was now said, well, we better fix it. So, it went out to Radical Restorations, and between him and Isaiah at Cass Alta Customs in Castor, Alberta, they were able to, get this thing rolling. So yeah, the rear differential, transmission, a few other pieces we were able to do for him through school, and then the rest, being basically done by Bob and Isaiah. So yeah, I'm excited to see this thing in person. I haven't seen it personally yet in person, but I plan to see it very, very soon. So hope you all enjoy. Yeah, just sit back and watch this beauty in motion here. This thing is just wild. One of the 6 in the second batch ordered from Medicine Hat. This serial number could be the last. We're not really sure, but it's 100,906. So, yeah, anyway, you see the transformation here of the console going from what it was to what the finished product. Again, the amount of hours that it takes to do this, and unless you've done it, as myself, I can appreciate the labor intensiveness that this thing takes. So I'm hoping to do a full walk around. We'll get a running video of it all together. I know I have an engine running video when Chuck had it there in Moose Jaw. So anyway, yeah, super excited that this thing is going to get a new lease on life. And it's going to be awesome. All right, take care. Bye for now. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Tell all your friends. And yeah, let's get ready for car show and cruising season. We're just about there. All right, take care and bye for now.